Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to highlight the text in Microsoft Word document. In order to do that, I need to select the text that I'm going to highlight. So this is the text I'm selecting, and after selecting the text, you need to be on the Home tab. And once you are on the Home tab, you'll find an option called highlight text highlight color. And if you go to click on it, then you'll find a lot of different colors. You can use any of the colors from here. So I'm going to select this color, and then so if you change your mind and if you want to remove the highlight, so you can go there again. First select the text again, and then you go there again, and select no color, then your highlight is removed. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if you find my channel helpful, please subscribe to my channel.